Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 4 with the ZW3D software. First in here I will create new drawings. You can click here new and we can choose parts. I will use a template in millimeter and you can click OK. The next in here we can create new sketch. You can click here sketch. I will choose a top plane in here. You can click apply. Now we can create circle. You can choose this circle command. I will click start from the center point. We can set for radius into 40. Okay, the next I will create circle again in it with a radius 25. You can create again in it with a radius 30. To apply, you can press middle mouse, so it will be create circles. And then we can, in here we can set for radius into 15. And then we can create again at this point. We can set radius into 15, and the last circle we can set the radius into 7. You can press middle mouse and press again to apply. Now in here we can set distance. You can use quick dimension. Okay, I will set distance from this center point. We can move into here center point, and I will set in here into 85. Click OK. The next we can create line. You can use these tools, draw, start from this point into here. We create again from this point into here. Okay. Now in here I will use a trim command. You can use power trim to cut this line and also a circle object. And then we can use a fillet command. You can click here, fillet. We can set for radius into 15. For first cube, I will select this cube and you can select this for the second. Next we apply again at this corner. Okay. Now we already create this 2D sketch, and you can click exit sketch. To convert this object into 3D models, we can use extrude tools. You can click here extrude. We can select these objects, and then you can use these options to select at this face. You can click OK. Next we can extrude into 55. And you can click OK to apply. We can hide or unhide this sketch 1. You can use these tools unblank, so it will be show for the sketch 1. We can use extrude again. We can select at this sketch and choose this option. I will click at this face. OK. Now we can set for extrusion into 10. The next in here we can set boolean into a new body, or you can choose in the here for the base. This like a new body in this ZW3D, and you can click OK. So it will be create these objects. Now we can create new plans. You can click at this page and click for dentum plane. Okay, for geometry, click at this face. The next we can set offset into these directions. We can set into -30, and you can click OK to apply. In here we can use a mirror command. You can click here mirror geometry. For entities we can select at these entities. You can use these tools, history manager, and click in extrude base 2. Okay, these are for entities. The next, for planes, you can select at this plane. You can orbit and click in here, select this plane. Now we can use these tools, create a shapes, and you can click OK. So it will be create offset in the top here. Okay, we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 4 with ZW3D software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.